Hey everybody, welcome to Cool Cat's Garage. I just wanted to share a tool with you guys. This is my first tool review and I wanted to share it with everybody. So let's get into it. This is from Carbyne Tools. They sent this out to me and I'd like to get into it with you guys and show you. So it comes in a blow molded case, pretty nice little case here. We open it up and they're all laid out really nice. We have E-Torx from E4 to E18, covers quite a bit. Then we have Torx from T10 to T55. We have the hex bits from 7/32 to 3/8, and we have the metric hex 3/8 drive and from 2 to 10. Now I don't know if I've even seen a 2 in any of my other kits. But these are really nice. The Carbyne name is laser etched in there, but the size is, yeah, I guess it's laser etched in there too. Yeah, but it's really nice. They're really nicely done. Nicely made there. So yeah, so this is just going to be just a talk through review. I've been sick lately and haven't had a chance to use these yet, but that'd be my next video, is to actually put these to work and show you guys how they can do. So a little bit about the company. Carbyne's been in business for a little over 20 years. It is a family-run, Los Angeles, California-based company. I've been in contact with them for a couple months now. They're great people, willing to do whatever it takes in the tool community. Their warranty program is like second to none. Take a picture of it, send them a picture, they'll send you a new one, you throw the old one away. Couldn't get much easier than that. Let's see, what else was I going to tell you? They are made in Taiwan, but as we all know, good tools are made in Taiwan also. They're made out of S2 steel, and they have a lifetime warranty. So yeah, it's pretty cool. So thank you for watching my first tool review. I will get better. A little nervous, but thanks a lot. I really appreciate it, guys. I really appreciate all the comments from my Instagram and the likes and everything everybody does for my channel. I really appreciate it. So you guys have a good night and take care. Thank you.